Newton's first law is motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force.
Newton's first law is also inertia.
Inertia is the tendency to resist motion. Okay, here we have some marbles. So we're gonna roll the marbles.
Object at rest stays in rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Okay, Leigh, you're the unbalanced force, now act upon it.
The marbles moved. The reason, when the marbles were at rest, the reason they moved is because my hand is an unbalanced force, and so it pushed the marbles.
Did you take a picture?
And then eventually, friction stopped. So friction was an unbalanced force that stopped.
This is an example of Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless an unbalanced force acts upon it.
The reason the pencils moved is because my hand, once again, was an unbalanced force, and eventually the ridges on this pencil stopped it, and the friction of the table.
An object that has an unbalanced force acting on it will
Accelerate in the direction of that force. Force equals
mass
times acceleration.
This is an example of Newton's second law using the same force on two different masses.
One book went farther than two because when it has less mass, it accelerates more, and when it has more mass, it accelerates less. Newton's third law is forces always occur in equal and opposite pairs.
This is an example of Newton's third law.
The reason when I push off this wall, I go back, is because forces always occur in equal and opposite pairs. So if I'm pushing off this way, I will go back because I'm pushing against the wall, and so it's pushing me back.
That reaction happened because when I kick the chair kicks me back, because in Newton's third law it states that every force occurs in equal and opposite pairs. Disgusting. What you looking at? Just walk through, guys. Just walk through. And okay.
An object that has an unbalanced force acting on it will
accelerate in the direction of the force.
Oh God, we should just say this one together.
Okay, well, I forgot it already. It's always a
Forces always occur in equal and opposite
floor.
Okay.
Forces will always occur in equal. Forces will always act in equal. Oh my God!
Hi!
We need some big phone. Come on. Here we have some. Oh my gosh! What do you want me to do?
Leigh, put the balls on the floor.
Maya! What are y'all doing? Maya!
Wait, who's pointing out this? Hi, Anne. We're about to get some weights. Here, wait, Ella, can you open the door for my phone?
Hey, Emily, get it quiet.
Okay.
Emily, we need to hurry.
Emily.
Opposite pairs. We can say that together.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So.
Say hi to Miss Morris.
Hey Morris, love you. motion.
Jakari, no. What the? Girl. They're doing outside. Dude, this product's gonna be the best